Hi, Gratty friends. Lacey here, the cheeky bum, and look what just showed up. I'm so excited. I think that I'm gonna have to go through all of it with you guys so you can see in case you haven't gotten it yet. This is Ville from Paige Evans. I ordered it from Pink Fresh the day it dropped, and it's already here, so it only took a couple days. I don't know if any, I know that it was on scrapbook.com and maybe a cherry on top. I don't know if any more of it's still available. Oh, Frank Garcia's got it as well. I know that he had it in store because I seen somebody do like a walkthrough and I was like, oh, so jealous. I don't live near the Frank Garcia store. So it's probably on his website as well. So I don't know what's still available. I wish I would have ordered more already, but hopefully they'll do a reprint and I can pick up some, like, once I find out like what my favorite pages are and stuff like that, I can order like loose leaf or anything else. So I ordered the collection kit, like the whole bundle, and then I ordered a 6x6 and an extra enamel shape sticker because I thought that they were so cute. I knew that I wanted at least 2 of these. So let's go through what you get in the kit first. So you get some enamel stickers. I just love these. These are too cute. I love the moons and the stars. I could probably live without these metallic ones, but I'm living for these ones. All right. You also get, I'm going to show you what you get in the kit and then I'll go through each one. So you get this ephemera piece that has 41 pieces, and I'll open these up so you can see them all. You get this ephemera piece. This is floral ephemera, 40 pieces. I usually don't use the florals quite as much. I know a lot of people do like them. I just don't. I guess I'm going to force myself to utilize them a little bit more. You get the puffy stickers. Oh, these are really cute. I definitely want another sheet of these. You get rub-ons. I love a good rub-on. So you get this side and this side. I mean, they're all right. I'm gonna go. I rather have the puffy stickers than those, I think. Here are the alphas. The alphas are really cute. You get 154 pieces. Those are the alphas. And then you get these puffy titles, 71 pieces. So these are cute as well. I really like them. It'll be really good. And got a little bent. And you get this. Oh, I got a bonus in mine. I got this nice long hair in mine. So this is the cardstock stickers. You get 60 pieces. Oh, I really like that. This is really cute. And you get all these sentiments, and yeah, you get a nice, let's see if anybody else, did anybody else get a bonus with theirs? And then you get these chipboard stickers. You get 30 pieces of the chipboard stickers. Oh, I love this little ticket. That's cute. I really like that. And it's only one-sided. And then you get your 12 by 12. So we're going to open this first so we can go through the paper. See all the patterns. So let's see, what is this? You get, oh, it's like, okay. I've never had it like double packaged before. You get 12 double-sided papers. This is really cute. All right, well, let's open this. I've never had that before. Weird. This smells like warm plastic, you know, like warm plastic smell. All right, so we have this floral. These florals are really pretty. It's got a nice weight to it. And we have this like, ooh, candy corn colored like wavy design. It's kind of trippy on the back. We have this purple check. This is really pretty. I like that. And then we have these cut aparts on the back, little frames. I love a good star and moon. I don't know why, but I love star is my favorite shape though. And then we have this stripe. This is okay. I'm sure I'll do something with it, but I'll probably end up using the star and moon page. We have this plaid with this floral on the back. This is really pretty, but this like light purple and white are so close together. It's hard to see the dimension. Have this page. This is cute. It's not screaming Halloween to me though. Oh, but look at this pumpkins on the back. Oh, look at these colors. I love that you get a mint, like, and so you get like a tealy, like turquoisey mint, and then like a true like green mint as well. See the little skulls. Little candy page. Oh, the candy page is really cute. And we have this geometric pattern. And the spider webs. I like this monotone, this orange on orange with the little patterns. It's cute. And here's all of our little cut aparts. We have this yellowish, yellow and like it's like a light purple plaid. It's like a mauve color. It's not quite purple or pink. I do like the leaves. I like this. I have this sentiment page. We have the ghosties. It's really pretty. These pastel pumpkins though, oh, they're getting me. They're so cute. And the pumpkins with the florals, even better. And then we have this candy corn page. So I definitely have my favorite pages. And then we have this like little Halloween town. I definitely have my favorite pages. And some that I'm like, oh, it's cute. It's cute. So that is the paper that you get. I feel like if you, I don't think her collection from last year is, or the year, what is it? Was it last year or the year before? I think it wasn't as pastel-y, it was more vibrant. But let's go through the ephemera so you can see all the pieces. I like to see them and see the sizing of them. And there's like, I want all of them. Oh, the little moon is white. So you get stars, you get bats. Just a little haunted house. Just like floral with the web. It's a little sentiment. Tag. This little pumpkin with snake is cute. Have Hello October. Sweet and spooky. This is Halloween. Have this little like border type of piece. Spider. Star. Oh. Got a little bent. But this is like a little bookshelf. Trick or treat. This little journal piece. Look at this little skeleton guy. He's cute. Here's the little witch. I really like the witch. Here for the booze. Candy first, questions later. Another little house. Another star. Candy corn, that's cute. Little scallop circle. Little pumpkin treat bag. There's another little shelf piece. A lot of my pieces are bent, so this is bent and that's how it got in there. And then you can see the little treat bag is all bent as well. It's kind of bummer. Little tag. Little spooky sign. Another tag. Some more bats. See this bat? This bat is messed up too. Got 31. We have the little star. We have this little frame. This little journal piece. And then this little, the perfect costume. There's that one. Then let's go over the flowers. And oh, there's pumpkins in here too. Oops, sorry. See, yeah, my flower's bent too. A lot of these pieces are really bent up. I mean, you might not be able to see it on camera, but I can see them like in person. These pumpkin, I really like the pumpkins though. The pumpkins are really cute. So I hope, see, like this one is all, it's bent right here, and it's bent down here, and right, oh, I can't tell if it's right there or not. This leaf, this flower. I wish that these leaves were a little less brown and a little bit more on the green side or yellowish. I don't know, but I'm not digging the brown as much. This flower is really cute. But yeah, like this is all bent to hell. It's bent right here, it's bent right here, right here, right here, right there. Like all the joints are all bent. This leaf is bent right there. It's right here, it's bent. Like all anything that's like somewhat fragile is bent. Well, I mean, even some things that weren't, but I really like this teal though. That's really pretty. See, almost all my stems are bent. See? You can definitely look at it. So bent. So this either needed to be thicker, or like when they came out of the machine, or whoever packaged them just didn't package well. I don't know, but almost all my things are bent. Right here. Pumpkins are cute. Even this flower is bent right here. See it? This one's bent right here and right here. Oh, it just makes me really sad because it's not like this stuff is cheap. But right here, and right here, and right here. I mean, I know that it's, you know, it's different if I do it, but when I first open it and it's already damaged, it's kind of a bummer. See, like the die cuts are just unfortunate. See, this is bent right here. Yeah, almost every single leaf is bent at the stem. These are bent right here, and right here. See? Just makes them all floppy. I'm loving this like purple lilac color though. I just wish that my stuff wasn't damaged. I wonder if anybody else is. You'll have to let me know if anybody else has experienced this or not. This is the first time, I mean, I've had Pink Fresh stuff, but this is the first time I ordered from Pink Fresh directly. And I don't think it's, I mean, it is Pink Fresh brand, so I don't know. But yeah, it's really pretty. I like it. About almost, probably, let's see, 75, maybe 50% of the die cuts are bent, which is kind of, that's a bummer. I'm gonna flip through the 6x6 just so you can see the scale of things. Of course, all the print is going to be the same, but the scale of the print will be different. I usually do a lot with the 6x6 or 6x8. Those are usually my favorite things to get when I get a Halloween, just because if I'm making embellishments and stuff like that, I want the scale to be nice and small. It is double-sided. I like the scale. The scale is really good. It does, you know, like, it smells like, almost like burnt hair. I don't know. It's a kind of a weird experience I'm having right here. This is really pretty. And this is what the sentiments look. That's a good scale on the sentiments, the leaves, the plaid. I like the cut aparts are like what, 1.5 by 1.5. I love the candies are nice and tiny. They have This color palette is really pretty though. I just wish that, like, although like in this it looks a little bit more mustardy, but on these it doesn't give off mustard. It gives off like a caca color. So I think you get 2 of each pattern in this one. Oh, I love this page. Oh, this is a nice scale for these too, I believe. Yes, so you get 2 of each. So that is a Ville, the new Paige Evans collection with Pink Fresh. I'm super, I mean, I don't know if I would say I'm super happy. I really like it. I have some disappointments, more with just kind of packaging, because my die cuts are bent. I mean, I do have a nice little long hair in this one, which is not a big deal, but you know, when it's like things are not your own, it tend to like freak you out. But it's really pretty. I just wish that the brown was either more of a nice soft brown or a green. Like I said, it's just kind of giving me like a caca color vibe, but it's really pretty. I'm happy with it. If I get anything, I'll definitely get like maybe some, I'll probably get another thing of the puffy stickers. I would definitely recommend the enamel stickers because these are really cute, or a 6x6. And I would probably pick up maybe some individual pages, because not every sheet was my favorite, but there's some that are definitely winners. But you know, I thought about ordering extra ephemera and stuff, but I don't think I would now. I don't think I would. Although not as many damaged pieces in this as the florals, but I was gonna order an extra set of those, and I didn't, and I don't know why I didn't. I was just like, oh no, I'm gonna get the kit, a 6x6 and an extra enamel sticker, and that's it. And I want to, you know, I didn't see, like, I only seen sneak peeks. I did not see like a full walkthrough of the collection or anything, so I kind of went in blind, but I knew I wanted it because I did not get her last one, and I was having FOMO really bad because I didn't get the last one. But there's definitely things I would recommend and some things that I wouldn't. So I'm excited to watch some other videos now that people are starting to get their order in, and see if anybody else has come across some damage. But I know that not everybody, when they're doing like showing or doing a haul or an unboxing, like flip through all the ephemera. I know Lisa does, and a couple other people, but I'm glad that I did. I'm glad that I showed everybody kind of what happened in mine, and I wonder if this is a problem across the board or if it just happens to be my set. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. I will link mine down below, but I'm pretty sure Pink Fresh is sold out. I don't know where else you can get it. Well, I know that you can order like Cherry on Top and scrapbook.com, but I don't know if it's in stock. It's most likely it's sold out everywhere right now, but most likely there'll be another reprint within a few weeks. So I'm excited to see what everybody else thinks of this collection, and I'm glad that I got my hands on this. I only got, like I said, bits and pieces from the last collection she did. I don't think it was last year. I think it was the year before. I don't think she had a collection last year because of the whole American Crafts being sold and stuff like that. So I don't think that it was last year. I think it was the year before, and I can't even think of like what it was called right now off the top of my head. But anyway, this is my experience, and this is the complete walkthrough of what I got. I'm excited to watch some other videos now, but I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.